What's up? The name's Novel, and today I'm going to show you guys on how to make 2 ingredients body scrub. It's that simple. All you need to get is some sugar and oil. I'm using olive oil, so it's best to use olive oil. I recommend olive oil, or if you don't have any olive oil, you can also use canola oil. Or if you don't have those two, if it's too expensive in your country, you can use the massage oil variation like mine. I'm using Herboris brand, as you can see. It's from Indonesia, yeah. Obviously, duh. Anyway, what you need to do, you put the oil inside the sugar bowl, the bowl of sugar. I already did it, so it will look like this. How many sugar did I add on this bowl? Well, if you must know, I add 5 teaspoons of sugar because this is for single use only. You don't want too much of this, you know. But if you want, you could add a lot of sugar and a lot of the oil if you want to have the body scrub for a longer use, like for months or maybe weeks. Depends on you. Of course, you need a lot of sugar and a lot of this oil. So once you add the oil to the sugar, make sure the oil didn't go too much into the bowl, because you don't want your body scrub to be too moist. You know what's the point of a body scrub if you can barely feel the scrub, right? So, question: why sugar and why olive oil? Well, the reason is simple. Just like this, how to make this. The reason is simple. Because sugar can exfoliate dead skin cells from your body, and the oil helps to lubricate the exfoliation progress, so you won't have a skin friction or injures your skin. Also, it moisturizes your skin, so 2 in 1. Okay, it's that simple, guys. It's that simple, you know. You don't really need to buy some fancy schmancy body scrub at the store or any beauty shops. You could just make this sugar scrub at home. It's easy and much cheaper than body scrub on beauty stores or maybe online shop. So if you're a cheap broke people like me, you make this body scrub at home. Yes. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, bye.